In this video we are going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector and the fuses. This is on a Vauxhall Vectra 2004 plate. Be sure to like, subscribe to be notified of upcoming uploaded videos. Go to the driver's side. And just behind the gear stick, if you go to the ashtray and open it up, it's all spring loaded. And just remove the ashtray. And there's the onboard diagnostic connector. In this part we are going to locate the fuses. So locate the hood release lever. With the hood open the cover for the battery. Yeah, it's covering other things as well. And then open this panel here by a click and just lift it up. And there's your fuses and relays as well. And what's included is a spare fuses too.